Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC series, today we're going to understand most visible finishing activities in building construction. In our previous videos, we have already covered excavation, concrete, reinforcement, formwork, plastering. Today we will cover painting. Let's start.
Why painting is important. Painting is critical because it provides final aesthetic finish. It protects surfaces from weather and corrosion. It improves durability of walls and ceilings. Poor painting causes peeling, blistering, and uneven finish. That's why painting must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is painting? Painting is the process of applying primer, putty, if required, finish coats on prepared surfaces to achieve protection and appearance. What is method statement for painting? Method statement for painting describes surface preparation method, type of paint system used, application procedure, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures uniform and durable finishes. Objective of painting method statement. Main objectives are: achieve smooth and uniform finish, protect surfaces from deterioration, ensure color consistency, prevent paint defects, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to internal wall painting, external wall painting, ceiling painting, metal and wooden surface painting, at all project locations. Reference documents. Painting works shall comply with approved architectural drawings, project specifications, Project Quality Plan, PQP, ITP for painting works, manufacturer technical data sheets, relevant codes and standards. SHAT responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, site engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, painting supervisor, foreman, work control. Materials. Materials include primer, putty if required, emulsion, enamel, epoxy paint, thinner if applicable. All materials must be approved within shelf life, stored as per manufacturer instructions. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used: rollers and brushes, spray machines if applicable, scrapers and sandpaper, mixing tools, ladders and scaffolding. All equipment shall be clean, inspected, safe to use. Storage of painting materials. Painting materials shall be stored in cool and dry areas, protected from direct sunlight, kept in original sealed containers. Proper storage ensures paint quality. Surface preparation. Before painting, ensure surface is clean and dry, plaster is fully cured, cracks and defects repaired, surface sanded smoothly. Surface preparation determines finish quality. Application of primer and putty. Primer and putty application shall be, as per manufacturer recommendations, applied evenly, allowed to dry properly before next coat. Application of finish coats. Finish coats shall be applied in specified number of coats using approved method, roller, brush, spray, uniform without streaks or patches. Drying and curing time. Ensure adequate drying time between coats, proper ventilation, no disturbance during curing. Inspection during painting. During painting, ensure uniform color and finish, proper coverage, no sagging, peeling, or blistering. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, proper ventilation, safe handling of chemicals, safe use of ladders and scaffolding, fire safety measures. Quality control measures. Quality checks include material approval, surface preparation inspection, paint thickness and coverage check, finish quality inspection, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant, client inspection. Approval before handover. No work shall proceed without approval. Records maintained. Records include painting inspection request, material approval documents, checklists, approval records. Common painting defects. Common defects include peeling, blistering, uneven finish, color variation. Proper control prevents defects. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Painting method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 45001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for plastering works, method statement for finishing works, ITP for painting works, NCR control procedure, CAPA procedure. Conclusion: method statement for painting ensures high quality final finish, durability and protection, quality compliance, safe and controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for painting clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.